Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing a wig review, and I'm so excited because it's a different type of look that I went for today. I usually do these really long and crazy type of wigs, and this time I decided to go for a more like almost like 90s but modern in a way type of ombre look. I'm feeling very Jennifer Aniston in this hair. I'm like obsessed. I love this wig already. I'm telling you, I love it so much. And the company that this wig is for is called Musegetes. I have done a review for them before and they were a hit on my channel. Everyone loved that peachy pink wig that I did for them a while back. And I also used that wig for my Aphrodite look, so if you want to see that, I'll leave that down below. I have been getting a lot of people that have been telling me, hey, you should use another wig from them again. You know, you always want to see 2 reviews before you think a site is credible. I completely understand that. So I decided to go for this look right here. I have all the details on my phone. Now this wig right now is on sale for $59, which is great because usually a lot of the times the wigs that I am talking about are like $89 and up, so that is pretty awesome, especially because this wig is on sale. It is originally $80, so I'm really happy about that. I'm not trying to shove that down your throat. I just want to let you know that it's on sale right now, which is great. So this wig right here is the ombre brown short natural straight synthetic lace front wig. It's 14 inches long and it has an ombre brown. It looks blonde to me. It doesn't look as brown. And there's 3 combs. There's one up here on the side and right here, and then there's like an adjustable strap, which is really good because if you're wearing this wig out, girl, you want it to stay on for your life. All right, so this is a hand-tied wig. I don't really think I need to go on. Also, this wig can be permed. I've never done that before. That's really interesting. I've never talked about a wig that could be permed, but this wig cannot be colored. So yes, if you want to have like a customized wig, you can also contact the place, which is really amazing. So like I said, I'm really getting some Jennifer Aniston vibes from this hair. Do you guys want to see a Jennifer Aniston look? There has yet to be one on my channel. I'm just like looking for the perfect wig for hers, but this one right here looks pretty darn good. If this wig reminds you of any celebrity, please comment down below because I love recreating looks from celebrities and I think that would be great. But let's get back onto the wig. Now this one right here is so natural. All I have to do is just put in some concealer right there and I swear like it would look like my hair. Like I'm 100% confident in wanting to wear this out right now. Like I really want to walk out the door in this wig. So let me zoom in so you guys could see. I'm already starting to feel like a 90s music video where, I don't know, it's just something about this wig I'm really loving. But anyways, look at that hairline. It's completely and totally snatched. I'm obsessed with it. Like I said, needs some concealer right here, but it has a scalp. This is what I love. Look, if I pull it up, because I'm wearing a black wig cap right now, you guys, and you can't tell because there is like a scalp type of look to it. I love wigs like that, and for the price, that's just absolutely amazing. Oops, I'm sorry. I hate when I do this while I'm talking, but shows me as being more relatable, right? But yeah, other than that, like the wig cap is a little big, but I think it's really natural. If I do this, I get this like type of California beachy girl type of look, which is pretty cute, I can say. But it's pretty short, so you can't do too much styles with it. I mean, you can wear it in a low bun like this, or a low ponytail, or, you know, look, that's pretty cute. Want to do that, that's also something you can do, but because of the length, as you can see, this is the length and it's layered, that there's not too much you can do. So whenever you do decide to buy a shorter type of wig, you just have to make sure that you know that. Also, because the hairline is so centered towards the middle, I wouldn't really try to lift it up, like do any type of high ponytails, unless you already have this hair color and you just want to put this on top. But here's this hairstyle. I think it's really cute and fun. I love this wig, guys. I can't get enough of it. Like, I just want to have this hairstyle now. So this is what I love about wigs, is you can do this without damaging your hair color. And it's just fun for Halloween and different looks, especially because I'm a YouTuber, so definitely I'm using these for tutorials. But that's basically it. Like, the synthetic shine is severely minimal and you can barely tell that I'm wearing a wig. Like, I just love the color so much. I love being a dirty blonde. Who doesn't love being a dirty blonde? Whenever I want to escape from reality, my eyelash, I'm so sorry guys, is literally coming off. Whenever I want to like escape from reality, oh honey, I'm sorry, this eyelash, this is a good look. But anyways, if you want to check out this wig, I'll leave it down below. If you like this review, give me a thumbs up. I'm sorry if you hate wig reviews, but that's something that's really like big and part of my channel now, because it's just something I've always loved. I have a growing collection, and if you guys want to see more looks that are inspired by your favorite celebrities, then these are very much needed. But anyways, I will leave this wig link down below. If you want to check out their website, go ahead. They have a shop on Amazon as well. It's always really cool reviewing these Amazon style wigs to see if they're any good. But this one is a hit for me, so I will see you guys in my next wig review. I love you guys.